Mounts aftermarket radio in console pocket location. Recessed-in radio opening. ISO mount radio compatible using snap and ISO radio mounts and trim ring. Comes complete with harness that will provide all the connections to install an aftermarket unit using factory speaker power and ground wires. Comes complete with built-in under radio pocket. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic. Great product at a reasonable price. Didn't take too long to arrive from America to Scotland. Maybe a week and a bit if I remember correctly. Fits into the bottom slot nicely. Don't worry if you're not good with electronics, the wiring is easy peasy. Just connect each color to the same color on the other end. Black to black, red to red, white to white and so on. I soldered them, but you can buy clips that connect them if you'd rather do it that way. There are plenty of YouTube videos that explain how to fit it. Lifesaver. Retains all of the heater/AC functions and your old radio basically becomes a glorified clock. There are units that completely replace the old radio, but they're hundreds of pounds. Not worth it really. Bottom compartment is big enough for a phone or a few pairs or glasses/shades.